BARD Mobile for Android How-To Series, How to Read a Braille Book.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the BARD Mobile for Android How-To Series, I am going to cover reading a Braille book. Reading a Braille book with BARD Mobile will require the use of a Bluetooth-connected Braille display. For details on pairing a Braille display with your device, refer to the How to Pair a Braille Display with Your Device video. From the Bookshelf tab in BARD Mobile, select Braille Books. From your list of Braille books, select the title you wish to read. You will automatically jump to the Now Reading tab and the book will be displayed. If a line of the book is not visible on the display, flick right on the device screen or pan right with the Braille display until the first line of the book is visible. Once in the book, use the pan right and pan left functions to move through the book line by line. Usually, panning right can be done with .4 plus spacebar on the Braille display, but most displays have a dedicated key to perform this action. Each pan right on the Braille display will bring up a new line of the book. Note that Talkback will attempt to read the Braille, so you may want to turn the speech off. By default, Talkback does not have a gesture defined to do this, but you can assign a gesture to toggle speech. To do this, go into the Talkback menu and select Talkback Settings. Then choose Customize Gestures. Double-tap on the gesture you want to use to toggle speech and select Turn Talkback Sound on or off to assign that function to the gesture. When returning to the book, the shortcut key R can be used to move the focus to the reading window. From there, continuous reading of the book can be done by panning right with the Braille display. BARD Mobile includes an AutoScroll feature that allows you to read a book without having to continuously press keys. The Braille display will advance automatically at a rate that you control. A fixed amount of time is set for each line, and a smaller amount of time is added for each character. AutoScroll is off by default. To enable it, go to BARD Mobile Settings, Braille and Display Settings, Braille AutoScroll, and turn it on. Now, when reading a book, you can activate AutoScroll with a /.34. Stop AutoScroll by pressing a / again. Increase the AutoScroll speed with a +.346 and decrease the speed with a -.36. For details on navigating a Braille book or magazine, see the other tutorials in this series.